Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the PS5 is online and Minecraft is updated. This prevents sync errors. Sign into Minecraft with the Microsoft account you plan to remove so you can access account settings. Once done, back up any local worlds to USB or cloud storage. This keeps progress safe. Make sure you know the Microsoft email and password because you'll need them to unlink. Now, open the Minecraft profile menu and navigate to the account or profile settings to start the removal sequence. Next, access Profile, then Settings, and find Accounts or Sign-in options. This is where Minecraft manages Microsoft links. Select the linked Microsoft account and choose Sign Out or Unlink. The exact wording may vary, but the action removes the connection. When prompts appear, confirm Sign Out and allow the game to clear saved credentials. This prevents automatic relogin. If it asks to keep local data, choose according to your backup. Once Minecraft reports a successful sign-out, return to the main menu and close the game fully. Finish by power cycling the PS5, turn it fully off and back on, then relaunch Minecraft to confirm the Microsoft account is removed. If the account still appears, go to PS5 settings, save data and game/app settings, and remove Minecraft's saved sign-in data to force a fresh login. As a last resort, sign into your Microsoft account on a web browser and remove device access or reinstall Minecraft. These steps clear residual tokens. If you hit errors, reset your Microsoft password to invalidate old sessions and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.